Welcome back. Today topic is direct and indirect speech. Difficulty bits we have to discuss. See first one. He says to me I am fine. He says to me I am fine. In this sentence, this is simple present tense. This is a simple present tense. Then no need to change tense in the indirect speech. In the place of simple present tense, there may be present continuous, present perfect, or present perfect continuous. Not only simple present tense. Sometimes we may find simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense in the place of simple present tense. Then no need to change this one. Let us see answer. In this sentence only pronoun is changed. No need to change the tense. Now second one. He said to me, luck loves hard work. So luck loves hard work is proverb, quotation. This is simple past tense. If there is any proverb, then no need to change this one in the indirect speech. Now answer. Then answer is, he told me that luck loves hard work. If there is any proverb, no need to change. Here only conjunction is added. Now another one is, they said to me the sun rises in the east. This is universal fact which is in inverted commas. He said to me honesty is the best policy. This is expressing morality which is in inverted commas. He said Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra. This is unchanged fact. Then we should apply only conjunction remaining part which is in inverted commas. No need to change. Now answers are, for first one, they told me that the sun rises in the east. In the place of sentence 2, we have written told. We have removed comma and inverted commas. In that place we have used a conjunction that. Second one, he told me that honesty is the best policy. The third one is, he said that Mumbai is capital of Maharashtra. This is universal fact. This is expressing morality. This is unchanged fact. Now another one is, she said 1 and 1 is 2. This is a mathematical fact. Now answer is, she said that 1 and 1 is 2. Here no need to change. And he said to me, shall I bring you fruits? This is offer. This is offer. Then answer is, he offered me, or he offered to bring me fruits. This is the answer. He offered me, or he offered to bring me fruits. Thank you everyone.